Welcome to my channel again. Now we want to talk about business proposal. If you really want to write a business proposal, we need to know what is a business proposal. Let's start with that. What is that? Is when you open your ChatGPT and you can ask questions. These questions will help you, and the AI itself will continue to assist you, give you different options. Let's start with what is business. What is business proposal? Do you see what it's giving us? So it's telling us what we need to do. It's a formal document or presentation credited to convince a potential client, investor, and blah blah blah. So then he also said that explain what you want to do, how you will do it, and what benefit it will bring. You see what will you contain in your, so you are writing a business proposal to a company. You want to tell them that this is what I want to do, this is how I want to do it, and what the benefit it will bring to the company and even to yourself. That is the first thing. Now you want to do introduction, clear cover letter. Problem, the challenge your need that the client or market is facing. Then propose solution. Then what method or plan of action, step, and qualification, budget, cost, benefits, conclusion. That is call to action. These are the things. Now if you look at the last sentence there, say if you want, I can also give a super simple template you can use to write your first business proposal this weekend. Do you want me to do it to do that? Do you see what AI is doing? Just simply ask what is business proposal. At the end of it all, they also give you what you might need. Now let's say, let's not dive into that one. Let's go for what are the types of business proposals. Now this one, the reason why we need to know the type, so that when you want to write, you will know a particular one you want to write. You will not just write a proposal. This one now, solicited business proposal. Definitely a proposal written in response to a client request for proposal. You see it? Example, a company posts that they need a website redesign, and you submit a proposal specifically for that. Key, you know what the clients want. Unsolicited business proposal. This time around, they are not soliciting for it. Formal structure. So, and like that, informal. You know, continue or standing proposal. Partnership or joint venture proposal. Maybe you want to you want to be partner with somebody. You have to write all this. You need to do. I think how many is about 6 proposal. Now, if you don't know this type of the proposal, you just pick and be writing. So this time around, you need to know this one you want to write about. Is it formal? Is it informal? Is it unsolicited? Is it solicited? The one that they want you to do something for them? And is it partnership? You want another company to partnership with you? These are the things. Then look at the again. It say, if you want, I can write a simple showing all tab with a sample. Okay, do you want me to make that chart? Say yes. Do you see what he's doing for us? Type of proposal. Do you see what he's doing for us? And he explaining it. He make it clear. He made it clear. Quickly. Look at it. If a client asks for it, solicited. If you approach them yourself, unsolicited. For small, simple projects, informal. For big or complex project, formal. You see, it also give you tip on how to do that. And I'll say, if you want, I can give you a one-page template for a type of proposal you can write one easy this weekend. Do you want me to do that? I say yes. Cover your name or company name, client's name, purpose of the proposal in 1 to 2 sentences. Example: we are your digital company propose social media campaign to help SS Cafe increase online engagement and sales. Problem or need. State the challenge the client is facing, and it's a example. XYZ Cafe currently has low online visibility, which reduces customer traffic and sales. You see the problem you want, then propose solution. Now example: we will create and manage engagement social media content for 3 months, including promotion and post to increase customer visit. You see now, plan step. This example now: 1 way, audit existing social media account, 2 to 3 weeks, month, 2 to 3 months, and then okay, what is the budget and what is the cost? Then the total cost for 3 month campaign is 50,000. Do you see what will be the benefits? Example: increase online engagement, and like that. Then call for action. Example: if you are interested, please contact us at so number, or reply to this mail to start the campaign. Do you see it? Now look at another thing. Say, if you want, I can also make ready to fill version in Word or PDF form that you can just type into and send to client. That will save you time this weekend. So let's say, okay, do that. So even if we are not a professional in using this AI ChatGPT prompt, by simply start from small. What is the definition, the type, they will give you more, and from there you will be seeing the other thing that you can do. Do you see what he has done for us now? Now if you download this thing now, let me download it and show us what it's doing for us. It's downloading. Now look at what he also saying. If you want, I can also create a more professional 2-page proposal template used by companies. A CV plus proposal training handout you can give your student this weekend. A proposal example for digital service, graphic, AI training, etc. So now you will definitely see the one that you match what you want here, isn't it? I don't understand what's happening. Okay. Is it PDF? I don't even know what to. Okay. Let you this. Do you see what he have given us? What he's saying is, this is template. It means that the cover or introduction here, now you can put your name or company name, client name, date, You see how you write it? Then describe the problem you need to a client is facing. Then propose solution, explain product or service in idea, plan step. You know, the cost, the benefits, and at the end of the day, you put everything, you seal it. Is it easier? So now let's go back. Let's go back. Now let's pick this one. The number one first say a more professional to pay provide template used by company. Let's see whether you will like that or I will like that. So it's also telling us that there are ways that many companies do this, most especially the big companies and all that, and it's trying to generate it. So the AI, some people say AI is it has come and spoil many things. AI is not. You are the one that will be using, giving is whatever you give to AI will work on. You understand? So it means that AI is smart and we need to be smarter. So AI does not know what is in your mind. Let's download it and see what he's saying. And ordinarily, you see what he's telling us, that what is included in that template is an executive summary, client problem or opportunity proposal, solution, scope of work, services, project time, pricing, why choosing us, time and conditions, clear client acceptance and signature. You know, everything is there. Now if you come down, you will see some of the things he even saying. It's a very a complete sample proposal for a digital skill training business. A very sample proposal format student can learn in that something. You can just see, Don't know whether I see this that first one is still opening. Okay, it's still that first one. Let me check whether it has downloaded. What is happening? So let's click it again. Okay, start downloading. Okay, it's downloading. I think okay, downloading. That's finished. I don't know what is happening. Okay, it's like this. You see now? You see? You can see it. So that is all. All you need, you just download this and fill it, and now let's assume that you want to write a proposal to a